All right. So we are back. A little late today, guys. About that, but I definitely want to get this marked down for you guys. As always, reaching out to you guys to break down all the charts. Today is Wednesday, June 18th, 2025, and we had 8:30 news, and we actually got a lot of news today, guys. Like a lot. So be careful out there. But I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. I'm going to go through these pretty quickly today, guys, and rewind the video if need be. All right. But yeah, definitely got a lot of news going on today. And then tomorrow the market is closed. So we will not be on tomorrow. 15 second. It looks like that's the best one for today, more than likely. All right, so jumping right into it. 100 is nothing. All right. I'm not going to be marking up the charts today. I'm just only going to put the ones that's kind of close. All right. NAS 100 is nothing. This has way too much going on. It's kind of flatlining. This is dead. US 30, I mentioned 5200 cross. You're looking for an M off this 200 back to the 800, but be careful because this 800 is right here. So bare minimum, you want your stops to be at break even for this one and target the ADR low around 41,800. All right. But be careful with this one for sure. S&P 500 is looking weird too. This is a very shallow run. You could theoretically attempt to take this short, but I would leave this alone. I would be much more willing to take this if the 5200 cross to the downside. We have to reload and then short to the 800. So this is definitely more short than long, but it's not ready yet. And gold is probably your best bet for today. All right. Once this closes above this 50 EMA here in the next 15 minutes, this will be good to go. We got the alert set. This is looking like a one for $1.62. So you can easily take this to these highs, or maybe around here, and you'll be good to go. So this is the best trade for today for the most part, outside of one we'll get into here in a moment. Silver is dead after all of this hanging around. It's just kind of finally jumped up. I will leave this alone entirely. Unless you want to try to take a bounce off this area, since it's like a break and retest going long, by all means, that's not a horrible trade, but not the best either. I would much be more interested in shorts. Next up is crude oil. Crude oil is nothing. I'm gonna leave this one on altogether today. Bitcoin did make that move yesterday. It was funky looking, but it did make it towards the 800, 5200 cross. You had to reload this quasi weird half a bat off the 200. It did work out. So ugly, maybe an outlier, but it did work out. Nothing today though. Next up is, we'll skip the peso. Euro USD is nothing. Yeah, I will leave that one alone altogether today. EJ is not ready now, but tomorrow this may set up for a nice little master trade, right? Hopefully it doesn't touch the 200, come back, hit the 50, and drop. We'll be taking this trade here tomorrow. Nothing on it today though, so leave that one alone. EuroCAD was so close yesterday and maybe even close again today. Yesterday, as you can see, was the W off the 200, which went nowhere. Your next move is the money trade. So let's make an alert for that actually. This is why you got to go through the pairs. I did not even see this. All right, so money trade is probably, let's see, is this above on the 4-hour chart? Let's get a good look at this. Yes, it is. So we already have 4-hour confirmation on this trade, guys. So not a bad one at all to take, right? You can mess around and get You can put your stop all the way right here below this 200. Maybe target this ADR high. So $1 for $1.45, $1.50, not bad at all. So yeah, this one is in play too. So check out Euro CAD. Euro NZD is nothing, as you guys can see. It needs to kind of make this pattern here, which it's not really trying to do. All right, this may be okay as well. Wow, glad we still did this, because this might set up in Asia, by the way, to Asia pair. So check that out. W off to 200. All right. Next up, EG. EG is nothing. EA. EA looks a little funky, but man, this is kind of close too. Lots of interesting ones. I'm just put a look at this one on this one. This looks a little close. All right, that move will look something like this. Got to put your stop below here. This might not even set up, by the way, because this could easily come down here and invalidate this entire move. So be careful with EA. You're looking for that W off the 200. 5,200 had just crossed. All right. So be on the lookout for that. GU is nothing. As you see, we were looking for this move here, which did not happen. It just fell. GJ, nothing. GA is nothing. GC is nothing. This is really low. This is a third level money trade, so I wouldn't want to try to take this. We had this. Oh, actually, it's the second M anyway, so never mind. It's definitely nothing. GN is nothing. GF is nothing. USD CAD, nothing. We did get this turnaround, which would be nice. So this we've been looking for a minute. Next move would be this W off the 200 going long, right? After this 5,200 cross. But today, this is nothing. Same thing with UF. Want to see that W off the 200 after the 5,200 cross, but today is nothing. UJ is nothing. AUD CAD. AUD CAD is supposed to be trying to go short, and it's not. We're kind of looking for a move like this, ladies and gentlemen. Above here and target this area here. But this is not cooperating. So this might not even set up. So this might not be a play. So be careful with it. NU is nothing. NCAD, same thing. The only thing that's wrong with NCAD is on a 4-hour chart, you would need price to close below this, right? So you can put another alert here. And just put close below 800 EMA, right? So I will leave that there, but it's turning around just like ACAD, so not going on too much. NF looks just like AF from yesterday, which is super, super close. All right, this one is possibly in play as well. This is actually too far down. So this leg over here, and then we got this leg over here. It looks a little funky. I would just be careful with it all together. Yeah, I'm not even going to touch this one. I'm much more interested in AF. AU is nothing. Yeah, AF now, as you see, this is much more closer to the first leg. So this one's much better. This might happen in Asia, guys. So be on the lookout for this one. Get you a nice 1 for 2. There we go. All right, so got the alert set for 52.97. So that'll be nice there. Market baseline is pointing down, as you can see, guys. And also on a 4-hour chart, this is making a second leg money trade as well. So Super close to setting up. Don't miss this in Asia if it does confirm. EF is nothing. CAD yen is nothing as well. I think that's actually it for today. FJ is nothing. Oh, CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss looks funny. I don't like this one. We got this move here. Market baseline is now below the static. Yeah, this is nothing. I don't like this one anymore. AN, we talked about this yesterday. This one's dead. It's now been ranging. AJ, dead. This move happened last week. It was able to take advantage of slightly. Oh, was that last week? Yeah, that was Friday. That was Friday. This actually, this could bounce off this 50, to be honest. We could have a move like this. This looked like this is probably resetting off this 800. So it could make some type of bounce move going long. So watch out for that. That'll look something. Yeah, you want this to close above here, though. All right, this might happen in Asia too. So let's check this out. All right, and let's just put the little box on here. See what the R to R looks like. Yeah, this ain't bad at all. So you can probably take this nice little one for 1.4. That'll be decent. And then lastly, we have NJ. NJ is nothing. As I mentioned last time, this had too many W's already. So NJ is dead. NJ and AJ are just alike, except NJ is ugly. It doesn't really confirm the way AJ does. All right, so if you want to take one of them, take AJ, not NJ. And ladies and gentlemen, that is it. Had to get, as always, all the links are in the description, website, Patreon, the whole nine, guys. So check all of that stuff out. Be careful with the news today. It is crazy. Happy Juneteenth for tomorrow. Market's going to be closed. It's a U.S. holiday. And we will catch you guys on Friday. All right, be safe out there.